Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes Benz King. This is the most massive, luxurious SUV of Mercedes Benz. It is the GLS 400D. It has the same torque as the V8 580. So in this video we will take it for a drive in the city of Rotterdam and I will show you the characteristics. Let's first start with the exterior of the car. The massive characteristics are especially noticeable here in the front. This hood is huge. It is almost 2 meters wide and it has the off-road characteristics, as you can see from the horizontal lines. And the Mercedes store is closed because it has the Distronic Plus, the adaptive cruise control. This one also has the AMG package with the night package and the selenite grey exterior color. And these multi-beam LEDs fit the regulation. One lux can actually reach 650 meters. So it really pushes it to the limit with this GLS. The length is just like the S-Class long wheelbase, 5 meters and 21 centimeters. Of course a little bit shorter. Here you can see the blacked out contours around the window. The side step with massive AMG rims. These rims are actually 23 inch. The size is 285/40 R23 and I really like the shadow black design with this selenite grey exterior color. And the rear tires are actually thicker, 325/35 23 inch. The height is around 1 meters and 85 centimeters. So let's move over to this large C-pillar into the rear. It is very upright built and it has a new tail lights with curvy edges, just like in the GLB and GLC. So let's have a look at what is in the trunk. You can open it with your foot just under the car and also with the key. And here you can see it has a lot of space. You can actually flip forward the second and the third row. And here it goes automatic. And this way you have more than 2,400 liters of trunk capacity. So let's close the trunk and we will have a look in the interior. Also soft closing doors here in the rear, and you can already see the ambient lighting in a gorgeous blue color. It has 64 different colors in total. So my first impression is it has a lot of space here. Check out my legroom. This seat is in my driver's position. Also headspace is very decent, even with these double panoramic roof. It also has a sunshade for the 2 rear doors. Seat adjustments. And also heated seats. 2 more additional seats here in the rear as a third row. So in total 7 different people can fit here in the interior. Now let's have a look at the front and we will take it for a drive. It has soft closing doors and wow, such a great design. I will just press the button for the electronics to work. And the seat automatically adjusts. So let's press the button to start. It has a lovely steering wheel with a new touchpad system and the MBUX is also updated for this GLS. It has a touchscreen and you can have a look at the navigation system, comfort, the massage seats, media and a lot more. I will show you that all during the driving minutes. So let's take the GLS for a drive. I will hit it in drive. And it has a 360 degrees camera. So you have full control of what is going on around you. You can have a look at the sides. So you can see the pole, the rear camera, also in 180 degrees. So let's go. So the front camera can also be activated in 180 degrees. And I really love the seating position. You are so high off the ground and you can easily see what's going on around the car above other cars. So let's accelerate in the comfort mode. It has 330 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. So the same as the GLS 580 V8 petrol engine. And taking corners, you really notice that this is a large and also heavy vehicle. It actually steers like a boat. And that's not surprising considering the weight, almost 2.5 tons. So let's take this corner. The steering is a little bit light, but thankfully you also have the sport mode. So if you hit the dynamic driving select button, now you have it on the sport mode. The steering wheel is sharper and the gas pedal is also more responsive. And maybe you can notice it, it also has the sport exhaust package. Nice view over there. So back in the comfort mode, and it really is sliding over the road. So at every corner and the traffic lights, this live camera appears. It works together with the navigation system, so if you have to take a turn, it will display it here on the screen. And this is also very handy because you don't have to look at the stopping light, it shows here on the camera when it turns green. It is a live camera which also operates together with the navigation system, so it shows you exactly where you need to take a turn. From the interior, I really like these handles with the ambience lighting in it. So these screens are 10.6 inches, fully digital. You can press the home button and swipe for any setting, such as the styles and display. You can select the sport mode. Now you have a more sportive design. So much space here in the interior. I really love the panoramic roof. It is a dual glass, and if you close the sunshade, it will close from the rear all the way to the front. It takes time and it's really massive. And as we are driving 50 kilometers an hour, you can notice how quiet it is. So you can press the home button and go, for example, to comfort. And now you can activate the massage seats in the front, also separately for your passenger. Seat comfort. You can adjust the lumbar just the way you want it to be. Home button, and here it has the engine information, the consumption in the city of course, and the engine details. And the consumption is great in my opinion. On average you will be looking at around 9 or 10 liters per 100 kilometers. If you drive on the highway you can even lower it to around 7. So guys, thanks for watching Mercedes King. I hope you liked this video. So let me know in the comment section below what kind of features you would like to see in the videos.